Her ultimate skill is Wrathful King Satan. This is the ultimate power which increases her power steadily by converting her anger into energy. Her energy wouldn't decrease even if she kept using it. Monobreeder Reactor allows Milim to infinitely generate her magic energy. It also makes the user capable of using the densest possible type of energy in the world called Stardust energy. Dragon Eye. Eyes with the analytical abilities, with which she can measure the abilities of others. Using the Dragon Eye, she can even see the target's magical energy even if they try to conceal it. Dragon Nova, the ultimate magic that causes a supernova explosion with a super high compression. It's the ultimate perfected form of nuclear strike magic gravity collapse, but it's impossible to be used unless the user can manipulate Stardust freely. Dress Change Magic, a type of magic that lets the user swap clothes and equipment at will. She can also use spatial magic. Onto her equipment she has Dragon Knuckles. This was gifted to Milim by Rimuru. The light but dense magic steel is actually surrounded by shock-absorbing material. When she equips this, her blow will be reduced only 10% of its norm to prevent her from accidentally injuring others during spars. Demon Lord's Ring, communication artifacts between the Octagram Demon Lords. Armor, Battle Mode. In this form, Milim actually looks more like the Dragonoid that she is, having a crimson horn adorning her forehead and jet black armor cladding her body. She also sprouts wings. Tenma, a mythical class sword that is said to have slaughtered countless monsters and demon lords.